Today we will analyze the pedigree charts of various traits. First, it is the pedigree charts of the rolling of tongue. This is the pedigree chart. We have to analyze it. See, here the empty represents the normal trait, where the solid represents the dominant trait. Rolling of tongue is a dominant trait and non-roller are homozygous recessive. It means that non-roller having these two alleles, small rr, homozygous, that's why rr, and recessive. Okay, whereas the roller only is a dominant trait, means there is a presence of capital R. A non-roller means RR, homozygous. Homozygous means both are the same allele and they are recessive. R is a recessive gene allele, whereas the capital R is the dominant one. Okay. So this is normal. Empty means the normal trait or the non-roller. As non-roller means homozygous recessive, so it is represents here RR, small rr. And this one is the solid box, means having rolling of tongue is a dominant trait. That's why it is capital R, small r. R indicates the presence of the dominant allele. Okay. Similarly here also RR, and it is the homozygous recessive, so small rr. The product small rr, it is the affected or having the dominant trait, that's why presence of capital R. Again here the 3R having dominant trait, so this 3R, in this way we write it RR, both having the dominant means the capital R, and the rest two are the normal means homozygous recessive, again smaller. Again they have a normal one, so smaller, and here also smaller. Clear? Now the pedigree chart for the color blindness. See, this is the female and square means the male. Okay, as color blindness is a sex-linked character, so alleles have to be shown on sex chromosome. We know that female having the sex chromosome XX, male having the XY. XC plus is the normal allele, okay, and XC is the color blindness allele. So this sign indicate the carrier female. So XX, one is the normal, having one chromosome having normal allele, one having the color blindness allele. Clear? Similarly, the male is normal, so having sex chromosome XY, normal allele means XC plus. Okay. Now their offsprings are 1, 2, 3, 4 offsprings. Number 1 is the again carrier. See, this is the carrier female. This is a carrier male, so here it is written carrier means presence of one normal allele and one color blindness allele, and his partner means which is affected. XY, that is male XY having the color blindness allele, that's why written XCY. Clear? This is the normal female, so XX, both the normal allele. Again normal male, so it is written normal male. Now the affected male. Affected male means having XC allele. C allele is present, and its partner is normal, so XC plus. Again similarly, carrier means presence of one affected allele and one normal allele. Second C, affected, means both the color blindness allele is present. Again affected, color blindness is present, and last one is the normal, so XC plus Y. Similarly, this is also normal male. So XC plus Y, C plus is the normal allele. Both are carrier. So one XC plus means normal and one is the affected. Okay, clear? This is the pedigree chart for the widow's peak. Again, this is the same as the rolling of tongue, means it is a dominant trait, whereas the straight hairline are homozygous recessive. Okay, homozygous recessive means it is represented by homozygous, means both the same allele. Okay, the empty bar represents a normal trait, whereas the solid represents a dominant trait. Dominant means presence of capital W. This is the affected, means a capital W is present. It is the normal. Normal means homozygous recessive. Straight hairline means homozygous recessive. So both small w. Similarly, here also normal means homozygous recessive, WW. And it is the affected one, means the presence of capital W. So in this way it is completed. Same, where it is the affected, as it is the dominant one, here it is the presence of capital W. And where it is normal, normal means the recessive. Homozygous recessive means both small w. Clear? During writing in the copy, you do one thing. You may draw this chart, pedigree chart, in the white page and do the solution in the writing page. Okay? You don't like that, you may do one thing. You may draw the pedigree chart in this portion and solution part in this portion. You may do also. Okay?